Sorry about the audio here. I had my finger. Man, that chin is a real distraction.
Oh yeah, she's gonna fit right in.
Live fast, die young. Blah, 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 blah.
Well, that's why you don't stand in front.
You must not be stoned.
Yeah. Purple with the lace.
I really don't understand the tire burning out thing. No idea what's happening.
Right?
No, why is it so loud?
Dog.
It reminds me of dogs. Hey, you want to race? Oh, you too. Thank you.
Subscribe and like and comment. Then that way the algorithm knows that you like me. Oh, if only the algorithm knew how much people liked me.